KETER Jobmade portable workbench and miter saw table for woodworking tools and accessories with included wood clamps, removable table legs for easy garage storage. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Dimensions. Folded, 34. 65 inches length x 21. 81 inches. Width x 4. 41 inches. Height, standing, 38. 19 inches. Length x 25. 39 inches. Width x 31. 89 inches. Height. Number 2. Resin construction. Made of heavy-duty resin with aluminum legs and a workspace capacity of 1,000 pounds. Number 3. Durable and strong. Weather-resistant polypropylene construction prevents rusting, peeling, and denting. Number 4. Less than 30-second setup. Simply remove the legs from their designated storage space and pop them into the tabletop. Number 5. Less than 30 lbs. With its lightweight design and sturdy carrying handle, take your workbench just about anywhere. Number 6. Easy storage. Collapses down to 4.4 inches thick for easy storage in a pinch. Number 7. Accessories included. Includes 4 holding clamps to secure a variety of working materials as well as a removable tool organizer that clips into the table to always have on hand. Number 8. Discrete storage bin. It has a built-in storage compartment to keep all your tools on hand when you need them and neatly organized in one place. Number 9. Versatile use. Perfect for any kind of project, DIY projects, home improvement, commercial construction work, painting, table saw use and more. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.